Hi, in this video I want to talk about functional medicine. Welcome to Advice from the Pharmacist. My name is Dr. Amy, and today I want to talk about what is functional medicine and why, after 17 years of being a pharmacist, I made a decision to look for a new way to help my patients. I started off when I was 6 years old wanting to be a pharmacist, and I thought that would be the best way to share my love for science and medicine and help other people. I graduated with the Doctor of Pharmacy and then did a pharmacy residency and went out into the world thinking that I would be able to help a lot of people have healthier lives and improve their wellness overall. So it didn't take very long after being in a pharmacy just to see how broken our current healthcare system is and how much it is not designed to actually help people get better. And one of the problems with our current system is that most medications are designed to manage a condition or manage a symptom, and they don't do anything to help correct the problem that caused the illness or the chronic health issue in the first place. So again, after 17 years of watching people struggle with their health conditions and struggling with my own health conditions, I started exploring and looking for something different, and that's when I discovered functional medicine. And after researching it, I decided that this was worth the investment and the education and time, and decided to become a certified provider so that I could use what I learned to really give people the care and support that I feel like they need in order to truly improve their health and take charge. So let's talk about functional medicine and how it's different from our current medical system. So functional medicine starts with the idea that instead of starting with symptoms of an illness, it looks at what are the causes of the illness. So is it toxin exposure? Is it something that happened in the history of the person's life? Or is it diet? Is it lifestyle? It's very comprehensive in looking at a person in the complete picture. And then functional medicine uses basically two different methods to help that person improve their health. The first is by removing those triggers that can cause illness and disease. And then the second main thing is by providing either supplementation or support for the body, for the organs, so that the body can begin to heal and correct the underlying issue. So as you can imagine, what I'm describing here is a very individualized, very patient-specific care. And my goal as a provider is to empower people to take charge of their health. And I do that by providing education and tools that they can use to make a difference in their own lives. And that is my goal and the focus of my practice. So if you have a question or a topic that you would like me to cover, please make a comment below, and I'll try and do a video on that as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching till the end of this video. Your health and your time are important to me. And as a bonus for staying to the end of this video, I would like to offer you a link to my free anti-inflammation guide. Inside the guide, there are 7 steps to reducing inflammation and improving your health that you can use to get started today in making a difference in your health and your well-being and how you feel. Once again, my name is Dr. Amy, and I wish you good health.